In this video, you will learn how to set up a completely free VPN on Windows 11 using a built-in feature. No credit card, no subscription, and no account required. Let's get started. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. From the left side, select Network and Internet, then click VPN. On the right, choose Add VPN. A form will appear asking for connection details. To get a free server, open your browser and search for VPN Gate. Open the official site and you'll see a list of public VPN servers from different countries. The table shows location, speed, uptime, and connection quality. Pick a server you like and copy its server address. Now go back to the VPN setup window in Windows. Paste the server address in the server name or address field. Leave the VPN type set to automatic. For sign-in info, choose username and password. Then type VPN, lowercase, as both the username and password. Click Save. Your VPN connection is now created. To connect, select it from the VPN list and click Connect. Within a few seconds, Windows will establish the connection and your internet traffic will be routed through that VPN server. Keep in mind that VPN Gate servers are run by volunteers, so sometimes the server may be slow or go offline. If that happens, simply choose another server from the list and update the address. Thanks for watching.